Hi everyone, I'm Bhuvnesh Vashti from Bison Life India. Today our team is here to explain and demonstrate about these spill drills. During our day-to-day industrial activities, we came across a lot of challenges while handling with fluids. It may be oil, it may be chemical, it may be other dust, acids or flammables. So during these all these applications, we have different solutions like universal oil or chemical spill kits. Our spill kit is specially designed and containing absorbent pads, socks, universe pillows, and suitable BBs. Let's practice with our team how to control the spill. Let's do it 7 steps how to control the spill. The first step is assess the risk. So before cleaning any spill, we must know what is that. What is that? Oil is there, flammable is there, any chemical is there. On the basis of the assess the risk, we can select the right spill kit. Oh, it's a oil spill. We are assessing the area, it's a oil spill. The second step is select the proper personal protective equipment. So before cleaning any spill, we should be protected ourselves. So we should prepare and wear proper personal protective equipment while cleaning the spill. Third step is confine the spill. So during the spill, that is the major challenge, how to control the spill so that it should not spread over the floor areas and it should not go to the drainage area as well as the soil area, so that it should not contaminate oil and water. To prevent this, we can confine the spill with the help of these socks. The fourth step is stop the source of the spill. So suppose any drum is there, any leakage is there, we should stop it so that the oil or any liquid should not flow to the further flow to the floor areas. The fifth step is evaluate incident and clean up the spill. On that step, we use the absorbent pad and pillows to clean up the spill. We should cover entire spill areas with the pillow and pads so that we can clean up the areas, and we can dispose of with the disposable bag. In our spill kit, disposable bag is there. You can absorb all the spill over there and clean up the spill with the disposable bags. And you can keep that disposable bag into the hazardous areas. Sixth step is decontaminate. It is important when you are cleaning the spill, it may be oil or chemical, it come to your suits, chemical suit and gloves also. So while removing your clothes or gloves, it should not harm your body also. So with the help of the safety shower, you can decontaminate yourself so that you can prevent in your body. So seventh step, last step is complete the record report. It is required to be done mandatorily because whenever the spill occur, you need to understand why spill occur, how it is occurred, so that you can avoid the future accidents. So preparing the report is very important to avoid the accidents and environment of that. Thank you for watching. Thank you.